Day after Thanksgiving, back out here at this little pond. As you can see, the wind is blowing. It's a nice breezy day. Should be able to get on some fish. I know, I got my car back. It's looking good. Guys, go check me out on Instagram. Right there, East Coast Bass Fishing. Guys, go check me out. I think some pretty decent content. Hope you guys will like it if you check it out. So we're gonna get out here and fish. Wind's blowing right in my face. I'm gonna start out a little finesse, y'all. I'm gonna throw definitely gonna throw a spinnerbait, but let's see if we can get this wind. Block this wind a little bit. We'll be throwing a Exxon's swimmer on a spinning rod, the little small finesse swimmer. Try to see if these fish will eat it. I know the jerkbait will do well. I'll probably have to cast with the wind to my back to avoid any backlashes, but guys, we're gonna give it a go. Stay tuned, stay locked in with me, and see what we can do for this fall bass fishing, guys. Stay tuned. Tons of wind. Goodness gracious, this wind is not playing around. Lots of wind, guys. Back up my drag on that. Last thing I want to do is hook into a big fish. Alright, guys, starting out with the Mega Bass, Exxon swimmer here. Denali attacks. As you can tell, this wind is kicking up, guys. We're gonna see if we can catch a few of the shallow back here in this corner. You can see the wind. We got ripples. We got little waves on the water here, so make long cast out here. See if we can make it happen. Alright, gonna pull out the jerkbait, guys. I'm gonna fish that finesse swim bait from Exxon, but for only a few minutes. Just looking at the conditions and how cold it is right now, it's just screaming jerkbait in my mind. With the light penetration we got into the water column and the reflection off that sun bouncing off this Mega Bass Vision 110. It's a no-brainer. Nice, about 3 pounds on the Warrior Center, guys. He hit it, missed him, came back for it. Alright, guys, first one on the day. 2.5 ounce. As you can see, as you can hear, plenty wind back there. This guy missed it, came back for it. Second tip. Solid fish, looking about 3 pounds. We'll keep at it. Releasing this guy.